Whoa. That's pretty crazy, you know? Are we actually still live? Oh, we are. We are. Ain't that nuts? Ain't that nuts? Well, I've just got to send this in some places. You know, this is pretty standard stuff, I would say. Sending this around a few places like there and there and there. All right. So hey, it's been a second. And when I say a second, I mean not that long. Where are we? Docs, chat. There we go. I just had to pull this out. All right, hey. So, fun stuff from yesterday. Yesterday. Um, Deck builder. I've slightly changed the visuals for it. Same with the logbook. I've added some visuals for this as well. Hopefully they're all right. I don't know. I haven't really done a whole lot of like iteration on it. I just kind of threw them together and see if they looked all right. And I mean, it looks fine for now. This pop-up is still the same. I also fixed the sweep, I think. Sweeping your own side of the map. I didn't actually test it. I just think I fixed it. So that's funny. You've probably seen at the bottom, but let me pull up the fucking goals. Also, yes, I've decided to make my thing no longer the default notepad to open this with. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. We'll find out later. Anyway, as you can see, make some actual achievements is one of them. I want to make some actual achievements instead of, I don't know, these slightly suspicious ones that we have in here. You know, I rather like these achievements. However, it is a bit not what I'm going to want for the final game. So I think that's going to be one of the first things. Also, high eject. That's going to be one of the first things I do. Next thing, make Banish fully work right now. I've talked about it a bit on previous streams, I think, but I made Banish mostly work. It actually does banish cards from your deck. However, it doesn't give you an upside right now. There's no reason to do it. So it just fucking deletes cards from your deck and for no reason. So that's something to do. After that, updates the settings menu. I've been over this before. It looks like ass. And finally, sound effects. Continued on that. If I unmute my desktop audio and then go into the game, we can review what I did at the end of last stream, which is or I could have the game audio muted too. That would help. There's some game audio. How do I not have a single cannon? This is just like some fucking random like sound effect. It's the same sound played over and over again, so it looks like balls, or it looks like sounds like. But then I can also like, right? Those are the three sound effects. Masochist's dream. All it does is get rid of cards, and that's it. There's no reason to do it. It just does. I honestly could. One of the things I need to write down is update the main game HUD. I did write this, but it's not somewhere. Update main game HUD. That'll probably be next stream that I work on this. Right now, the main, like when you're in the match right now, I don't think the standards are upheld for the game HUD. The cards, they look fine. The bar itself is a little bit of stylization on it, you know? You got the cores in the bottom left, but like this looks horrible, man. This just like black background, white text, default font looks awful. I think I could do better as well, so that's one of the things I'm also going to be maybe reworking. So let's do some achievements, shall we? Let's do some achievements. I'm gonna go back to having that there. So here you have the three things that define the achievement: the name, the description, and the rewards. The rewards that can be seen in the thing. What do you mean new random UI dropped? Did it actually, and I didn't see it? That did it act like? Is that what you're saying? Classic health bar. I thought you meant like a thing in the main menu happened. Like one of those randomly rolled. And then I just didn't see it. That would have been sad. No. You meant like you were talking about something else. New like a new UI option maybe in the settings. It looks currently awful. classic health bars. No, real new UI option. Go back to how the game's UI originally looked. We're talking shit screen kind of dates. If you get that reference, maybe you do, maybe you don't. We're going back in time, baby. That's gonna be one of the main settings. That's the new selling point. Why have the nicer looking UI when you could have the worst looking UI possible? It'd be so much effort for no reason. I could do it. One of the things I was actually thinking of doing is funny card descriptions, which is to say I made a setting that basically it just makes all of the descriptions and names of every card really stupid. Like they have the exact same effect, they just all have really stupid names and descriptions. Like I could do that. Um Anyway, I wanna. So what are we thinking for some things that people could do that would be very chill? I forgot to show you what the actual point of me starting the game was just then, which was where the rewards are. So if you go to the not the logbook, the achievements thing, right, and then you can go to Cock Gobbler. It rewards cocks and gobblers. I know, but that's what the rewards thing is. So like most of the things would probably just reward like a card or something. Maybe they give you a title. I don't know. But I can make a lot of achievements. Time Travel 2, Risky Boogaloo, and it's just a toggle switch, but when you click it, it goes back to before the toggle button was on, and you can't turn it off unless you restart the game. Hmm, that's interesting. That's an interesting one, I do say. But when you click it, it goes back to before the toggle button was on. So so it's off by default, but then you click it, but then it just goes back to being off. But you can't turn it off. What? Uh, huh? So you have a button that's off by default, then you click it. If you click it, it reverts all the UI and resets as. Oh, you mean that? You mean it's just a thing that brings you back in time to the shitty UI. That would take literally so much effort to do, and I think it'd be kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie. Just to reduce, it's just turning. Actually, you know what it should be? It should be. I should have a graphics quality slider. There's only two options: the full right side, which is the current one, so it's like default, and the full left side, which is shit quality, which is I just try to make everything look as bad as possible. As in, it uses all of the default UI stuff. I like maybe reduce the texture quality. Like I do like a pixelization effect on like all of the card images. You know, I that could be something that would be really funny actually. Just trying to make everything look as bad as possible. That would be something I could do in a DLC. New no new DLC drop. Make the game look as shit as possible. Just name it shit quality. God's old PC. Honestly, it is. Isn't it your current PC? Achievement names. Let's get rid of these fake ones. These are all fake. We don't need these. This is no. These are not. These are mismatched. What do you mean no? You talking about me getting rid of these? Uh, yeah, I might bring them back in the future, but not right now. I can actually run Roar 2 on good graphics. Thank you very much. Uh, uh-huh. Yeah. So what's like some achievements that I can make? I want to have some that are kind of easy, some that are kind of hard. So, um, okay. Close call. That's his class. Close call. Um, win a match, then remaining. Win a match with less than I'm gonna rephrase this to 10 or less. With win a match with 10 health or less remaining. That'd be a close call. I don't know how you'd actually. I should specify to 15 to be considerate. 15 because that's how much damage a cannon, like a default cannon shot, does. When you do, it's just. And when you do, it's just. It's the Zogglers! Oh my god, it's the return of the Zogglers. Alright, so question mark. Question mark. Question mark. It does nothing. Get all secrets separately. Maybe. Having just a question mark one there would be really funny. And you can only get it by doing something very specific. I mean, add a Zogglers secret at somewhere. Add a Zogglers secret. So that's just a message to myself later to do that. What are some other interesting achievements that you could do to try and unlock some of these cards? So like, if we take a look at the card list, right? Actually, you know what I can do is I can take an image of the list of cards and then I can pull it up so we can compare them. So here you have Mr. Logbuki. You won't have all of these. You'll have the. I forgot this is this is alphabetized now, so I do need to take a screenshot of the entire thing. So I've got a screenshot of that. Actually, wait, no. Anyway, that's not the point. Anyway, you can see these here. How would we get some of these, right? Like, the hole cards, I can't, like, make an achievement revolving around, like, doing stuff with holes, because you wouldn't have holes cards yet. Just to clarify, the cards that you would not have by default are this one, this one, this one, these two, or these four right here, actually. This one, and yeah, that's all the ones that I've made, but that are not currently default. And I can make more achievements, I can make more cards, it's not too big of a problem. I just want to see if I can make some achievements and get them done. So let's do, domination. Win a match. Win a match without taking damage. And you know what? You know what that would get you? I think that one would unlock you, just to be funny, Attack of the Rebel. I don't think it'd really matter. I mean, those ones honestly could be the two attack on your related cards. Although, here's the thing. Attack on your hole, I feel like would have to have. Well, you can't. It's fine. You know, as both of the hole cards stand right now, they're fine. So it's fine like that. What's some other ones I can do? King, like, I remember like talking about a bunch of random achievements that I could have done but then didn't. You know, at some point I should list these out. I did remember writing 2 down in my drive, which is to say, if I go over to here, I go projects, game dev, Umbra, somewhere in here. I think it's in this one. Right, I think it's in here. I wrote down like a few. Yeah, these two. Oh wait, no, those are abilities. Those are not achievements. Achievements based? Ah. Well, those are a few ones. Win a game in 10 turns or less. Is that even physically possible? That may or may not even be physically possible. And win a game that lasted over 75 rounds. Win a game on the first round. I don't think that's even... that's not possible. That just isn't possible. Unless it... No, that's just not possible. I don't know what I'm on about without that one. 10 turns or less is an interesting idea, though. That is an interesting one. Win a game in 10 turns or less. I don't know how you would do it. Um, why are my hands the name of win a game in 10 turns or less? Ah, that was a proposed idea. Hand of God. That card. This one, I'll read it out. Cannot be drawn or played if friendly defenses are in play, but basically, discard entire hand and pick whichever cards you want from your draw pile to replace your card. You can only have one in the deck. So it's an interesting card. Kind of OP, I'm not gonna lie. So I may or may not actually do it. The whole card picking is something I don't know about. I have a few cards relating to that, like Hindsight, which I never ended up actually adding to the game. Same with Picker and Foresight. Hmm. Just thinking of random stuff to do. Well, one of the ones I can throw in there is the fucking win. I'm gonna say in 15 turns or less, because I think that's more funny. Um, I'm gonna call it Quickie. Quickie. Uh, I don't know. I don't even know what to call it. I'll leave that blank for now. Win a match in 15 turns or less. Low stamina, lose a match in 15 turns or less. I don't even that's just an L. That's just an L right there. If you manage to lose the thing in 15 turns or less. Does that, but there's a 30% chance to pick random ones, excluding the ones you tried to choose. Maybe? I don't know. That's an interesting proposal, I would say. I'm trying to I just want to think of like actually like kind of like interesting achievements or things that are kind of hard to do maybe. Lord of Destruction is an interesting one. That would give you flamethrower, wouldn't it? HMO, win a game in 15 turns gives real Hand of God that lets you pick cards, but losing gives you Hand of Fake God. Interesting. Interesting. What do I call when you win a match in 15? Uh I'm just gonna say like in and out. In and out gamer. Like, I don't know why I like that name. In and out gamer. Speedy Gonzalez. That's the. I might make another one called Speedy Gonzalez just because of that. I'm not even sure what the fuck it would be, but that sounds hilarious. This seems funny. Play 3 cards within 1 second of each other. That one isn't that hard to do, but it's kind of funny if you get it. I'm putting card on the ones I definitely know which card it'll give you, right? So to clarify, these two would give you the attack. This one gives you attack on of the rubble. This one would give you attack on your hull. This one would be flamethrower. I'm not sure what the other ones would be. Like, how do I reward the player for that with the current cards? I don't know. Yeah, I just realized. I could make a title called Speedy Gonzalez, and you get that if you for completing the achievement Speedy Gonzalez. Oh, that's great. Hold on, let me put that in there. Oh, fuck, I just realized something. That sucks. I just realized the game's been running this entire time while I've been adding these, which means I'm gonna have to go retype these real quick. It doesn't matter, it just means I have to go retype them, which kind of sucks. I just took a screenshot of them, so I still have them, but just to clarify, that was close call. I'm just gonna have to go retype these. Unlocks Gonzola as Gambit. You can play up to 5 cards that you normally wouldn't be able to chain together, but you have to do it in 0.7 to 1 second or else you lose the turn. Interesting. It lets you play like as many cards as you can, but you have like a 10-second timer or something. Or maybe it's like 5 seconds, I don't fucking know. That'd be interesting. Now let's actually go back and re-add all the ones that I just accidentally got rid of because I made them in the wrong thing. Domination, in and out, gamer. That says gainer and without gamer, and then low stamina. From there, that's not how that. Destruction, and then Speedy Gonzalez. What an interesting one. That is honestly such a really funny name for one. I'm not gonna lie, I really like that. I think it'd be funny if I made the description Speedy Gonzalez, but I wouldn't do that. I might make the rewards Speedy Gonzalez. And then I did this, did this, press that in there. That says PD. S. What's the other one that I said? This one I'd know what it would be. And then the U, I don't know. These two, I don't know. And then the actual condition for domination, which is win a match without taking damage. Core damage. Then the other ones is what? Win a match versus lose a match. Win a match in 15 turns or less. Lose a match in 15 turns or less. Destroy 10 constructs. Boy, 10. I haven't been checking chat in a second. PD Consolas, yeah. Destroy 10 constructs. I can spell. Constructs in 1 turn. And then the final other one is play 3 cards within 1 second of each other. Alright, there you go. Nope. Trying to put the dots on these, but they, nope. Keeps auto-selecting everything. Anyway, so that's all the current achievements. What else do I have? What else? I should have pressed save. So if we are saying we're good, you can see all the other achievements there. I apparently have these ones because I have the first 3, and that's how order works. These should be ordered alphabetically, shouldn't they? I don't really care, to be honest. I might make that later. Just something to auto-organize them via the alphabet so that I don't have to. Because that just seems annoying to do. So we have Whole Shot, Feeble Shot, Mimic, Banish, Piercer. Currently, these 3 have assigned ones. The speed ones, I could just give Feeble Shot and Whole Shot, to be honest. Yeah, that's interesting. So, Feeble shot, whole shot, you know? I mean, they don't really... Actually, feeble shot, whole shot. You're feeble if you lose. So I need to give Mimic, Banish, and Piercer achievements. Or I could make them level rewards. I don't fucking know. I honestly couldn't tell you. I'm trying. What would make the most interesting one? I think, if anything, Piercer and yeah, no, Piercer should be a level reward. Although it would be I need to change that somewhere else. So card unlocked with levels would be this one, 13, being level 2, and then why is 21 marked? Oh yeah, because it's not real. So it's really Mimic and oh, I just thought of a hilarious one for Mimic. Um, the Mime. Did I just delete a random? Oh no, I created 2 more. The Mime. I don't know what the other one would be, but all right. So the Mime one. Play in the same. Play the same card 3 times in a row. So if you play the same card 3 times in a row, you know what you get? Mimic. Boy. They should not give you Speedy Gonzalez. They will give you cards, of course. And then the other one, the final one, this one will be for Banish. The hell would you do for that? Discard a discard. Oh, that'd be kind of funny. If you use if you ever try to discard a discard, it gives you Banish. Um Maybe. That's an interesting one. Exile. No. Um Use discard on another use discard on another discard card. Oh, that's a great one. All right. So those are the current achievements. Now I've got to actually make everything bound to each other. So in other words, what things go where? So ID 16 is Mimic. So that one, this one should say the newest one, or not the newest one. This one would be 7. 17 is Attack of the Rubble. So Attack of the Rubble, we decided that one would be 0, so that's fine. 18 is Flamethrower, so that's Lord of Destruction. I'm kind of iffy on that name, but I'll keep it for now. Is 5. 19 is which card? Feeble Shot, which means what? Feeble Shot would be low stamina, so 4. That's right, right? And then this is Whole Shot. I just know that. The 20 is Whole Shot. So that one should be Domination. Oh, wait, no. 3, I mean. And then 21 is nothing because that's not a real card. 22 is Whole Shot. Oh, wait, sorry. 20 is Banish. This is Whole Shot. Sorry. 3. Banish is 8. What are you? 23. Attack of the Whole. That one will be 2. There you go. So now the cards should be bound to their respective achievements that we just made. So I'll have a lot of things to unlock, because right now, if I go to my achievements, all I have is Close Call and Domination, which should be attack of the rebel and attack on your whole cards. Correct. And I have none of the other ones because they're all bound to the various achievements that I don't have and you can't get because there's no way to unlock any of them. So what I need to go do is actually go edit my I should do this in game. This is honestly probably easier. Is to just edit the achievements instead of going to my actual game files. So if we have a look at my achievements list here, I can ungive myself those. What? Oh, fuck you. What? I don't think it likes me that much if I do that. I'm gonna be real. Uh huh. What? Can I see what your data is? I'm trying to look at this card. Okay, so this one wasn't defined properly. Why is it just randomly throwing a fucking... I haven't done anything! FC couldn't be gotten. It's just spawn data.card, so it's being spawned without the card. What is it on? I'm sorry, does this have to do with the fact that I ungave myself those achievements, so if I give myself those achievements, it starts working again? So I give myself these 3 achievements, and then... No, it's just forever broken now. What the fuck? I didn't do this. This ain't me. Why is it just deciding, no, I'm good. But it's only in the deck builder. It's only in the deck builder. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, so this has to do with, to deck builder. And more specifically, reload deck thing. So somewhere in here, the spawn data card is being set. Spawn data card is being set. What? What? What's the problem here? It gets the spawn data. It gets the card. Is it that? It's not even the right one I commented out on. Oh, yeah, it is. I can only imagine it's that. That it's trying to run that and failing. But even still, that's stupid as fuck. I genuinely cannot tell you why that is deciding to... No, I'm good. I don't want to work. I rolled purple, apparently. That's an interesting one. We can do that while we randomly have to debug this thing, just deciding, no, I don't want to work. No, it's still running. The problem, can I get a bigger stack trace, or is it just running itself? No, okay, so it's just when it runs itself. It is unable to find FC. FC is the spawn data.card. So it's not this, though. Did the spawn data component not exist on these cards? No, they have it. Same with the card in here. So what the fuck is spawning a card that doesn't have a goddamn card on it? All I can think of is there's a discrepancy between the card unlock and card not unlock. But even still, that wouldn't make any sense. So if I go to no achievements, I say no, I have no achievements, and I go to the logbook, you can see I have those cards unlocked. So let's find cards unlocked, which is probably up here. Unlock level, card unlock with levels. It's got to be in here somewhere, unless I made it private. I may have made it private because you don't really need it. I did. That's cool. Oh wait, no, I just moved it down here. So I should have 21. What? Oh yeah, I don't have any of them. I don't have any of the other ones besides the ones you have at the base. So that makes sense. So what the fuck? How is it unable? Okay, well, yeah, there's an error here, but how the fuck is it unable to find this? You. What about this is not being found? Is it that the spawn data is not being obtained? Idea. Hee hee ha. Public void. Hee hee ha. And it runs all of that. However, yes, get this, get this. I do a public or not coroutine. It's public I enumerator. Um. Uh. Start coroutine. Wait for balls. So if spawn data dot card or equals null, return new wait until, and then I create a new thing, which is a lambda expression, which just says spawn data. I'm actually just gonna say spawn data dot card null. What? Oh, sorry, and print and con. What? Oh, return. So that should just wait. Hee 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 ha. Sorry, it's a method. Anyway, um, so that'll just not run the code if it doesn't have a card. If it still throws an error, it means someone's having a fucky wucky day. That person being me. I don't know why it would just randomly decide, no, I don't want to work. What the Why is it spawning these? Okay, so the current state of affairs, it is trying to spawn the cards that are locked. That is what it is doing. And that's why it's breaking. I figured it out. So I don't actually need this. This is all kind of unnecessary now that I've debugged the statement there. And now that I've figured out the issue. For some reason, it is trying to spawn in this one all of the cards that don't exist. Which doesn't make any sense because I explicitly said if they're not unlocked, then don't spawn them. So what the fuck? No. 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 Oh my god. Okay. This is just wrong. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can. Okay, so basically for int I equals 0, I is less than li dot count plus plus. Li is a list of ints, if I'm correct. So if so actually all of this I don't even need. You'll see why in a second. So I do if what the fuck do I have to do here? Yeah. How should I define this? So if you haven't card unlocked. So if the card you haven't unlocked is li of 0 or new card li 0, or I guess this should be I technically. I or a new one of these dot what dot fucking I know what I'm doing. I hope this code execution is in the right order. Is fake card, or if it's a fake card, then li dot remove at I minus minus I minus minus. Anyway, same piece of code except I paste it over here instead as also, or not instead but also. That should remove all the instances of the cards you don't have unlocked. That's funny that that slipped by. That's a bug from last stream and the sorting system that somehow managed to make its way through. So basically what was happening is the things were not being... Oh, it's still doing it wrong. Now it's just saying index out of range, which is interesting because it shouldn't ever be out of range. It should only say if it's less than count, and it li.remove at 0, so I don't fucking know. I've returned with tea and food. Fear me. I will honestly fear that. Somewhere, somehow, there's an index out of range exception. If I had to guess on the if statement, it's no. What? What? Excuse me. Index out of range? On this line? So the count is nothing? Debug log chart plus li.count. Did I write? Am I just being bad? Is it this? It's probably that, to be honest. I think the script execution order was indeed at fault there. How much you want to bet that is fake card is true by default, so it was reading that and not running the constructor, which it might need to do. No. Okay, there's 13. I3. Bro is flabbergasted. I literally am. I'm utterly shocked. I am confused. I am quite utterly bamboozled. I may have put the thing in the wrong order. That would explain it. I think I figured it out. Yeah. As soon as it goes past 13, that's the fucking problem. So I did actually have this originally right. With that right there. I believe I just need to put this one before this all happens. Right there. You know, so essentially just moving it. So that same thing, but I just move it to before it does the length check. It was trying to create a bunch of cards for things it didn't need. Maybe that'll fix the error. Maybe that'll fix the error of its ways. I hadn't noticed this error before because I hadn't had any locked cards, but now that I do, yeah, that's fixed the problem. That was so fucked. Okay. Anyway, long story short, I am actually good now, and I have none of the achievements, including question mark, which is question mark. I don't fucking know what I'm doing with that one. I might do something with it. I don't know. Oh god, these get way too close to the edges of that. Let me fix that. Where's the prefab for that? I don't even know what the fuck it's called. There's so many random ass things in here. I sometimes name them shit like fire lol. Um a achievement. Yeah, it's this. Okay, ball sucker, you see this? This just needs to the width needs to go down a lot like that. And that's it. That's all I had to do. Anyway, now the achievements should no longer be like scratching their balls. Oh god, why is there rapping? They should no longer be scratching their balls. Correct. All right. Everything is properly spaced. And nothing should be out of order. Maybe. I can't I don't know. It's just that was an interesting one. Anyway, the mime. So anyway, these are all like actually existing, but now there's no way to get any of them, right? They're all just sitting here. They're just sitting in this list, looking sad and lonely and pathetic. This is stupid. We need to fix this. And we can fix this by actually making them work. So we got to go through these one by one, creating the conditions to actually get them. So let's do that, shall we? Number one. What is exile plus the mime? Okay, exile is use the discard on another discard card. So if you discard a discard, it gives you that one. And the mime is play the exact same card 3 times in a row. So that's it. That's what it is. That's what they are. I might make the mime even like I might up the mime to like 5 or something. Just because it's like a really stupid achievement. To play the same card 5 times in a row. Honestly, I kind of want to. Oh, lovely. So let's see. Where is the? Let's just start making some of these. So what's the first one I should do? What's the first one I should do? Win a match with 15 health or less remaining. That one should be fairly easy. That one should be fairly easy. Should be because I already have all the functions made. Just to clarify, it is get achievement, right? Get achievement, yeah. Get achievement 0. So let's go to end, which will play. That's not an actual function. To end. So this will run whenever you end the game. This is what happens when you lose the game. Fuck, I lost the game. Fuck you, Henrik. 1 second. This is important. Trust me. I hate this. Oh my god. Okay, where is it? Tally. 385 losses. Anyway, back to coding. So so if player health, if player won, so if you won the game and health is less than or equal to 15, then wait, is this a float? Oh. I'll be generous then. I'll say health is less than 16, which means if you have like 15.2 health, you'll still get it. Anyway, so then this would run get achievement 0. I think there's an overload. Well, no, there's not. Never mind. I was wondering if there's an overload. Alright, so what is this one? HMO. Super Mine as a hidden achievement that activates if you somehow manage to play the same card 23 times in a row. Super Mime. A hidden achievement that activates. That's kind of interesting. That could be the hidden achievement. Play the same card 23 times in a row. I'm actually not sure how I feel about hidden achievements. Because here's the thing with hidden achievements, right? They're kind of funny because you can do stuff like that. But if they actually give you a reward, like a card or something, then they're just kind of there. But it's not like people can go out and do them. They need to like actually look up like online or ask someone like who already has it how to do it, right? Because it doesn't tell you how to do it. The thing with achievements is I kind of like them with like giving you cards because it's like, oh, you can go out of your way to go do competitive stuff, or you can play the game, right? And by playing the game you got new cards. But if you need to do some like hyper specific thing that you have no way of knowing of, and it gives you an actual reward that can help you out, then it's kind of stupid because you're incentivized to try and like look up what the answer to that is, which would mean that you need to know you need to know someone who already knows it, which I'm not a big fan of. So I'd rather just have every achievement you know what they are. Maybe I could have a few hidden ones that are just like stupid ones that don't give you anything, like reward none or something like that. But they could be funny. Uh, I'm not sure what Supermine would actually do, or if it would just be one of the funny ones. Just like, oh yeah, you. By the way, you get this if you play the game for too long. hmm I could also. I also okay. So here's another thing I can do. Some of the achievements I made, or some of the titles I made, rather. There's a bunch of these. Father of Lies is here twice. There is a bunch of these titles, right? Like the Com Lord, Father of Lies, Ox. Not that one. That one's from me, honestly. But the Wise, the Ancient, Peter Griffin, right? Those ones are all like stuff that you can only get, or that you can't get rather. Those are all stuff you cannot get right now. So what if there was like achievements that you could get that reward these titles instead of cards, you know? So you could also like if you really want, you can go after some achievements that are hard and they give you stuff like this. Forklift Certified is an absolute W. Um Winner winner, chicken and dinner. The winner, I'm not even sure what these are. I think that's for like losing amounts. That's what I was talking about before. Fartmonger, I genuinely cannot tell you how you're supposed to get that one. You know what? I think that's a good one. Super Mime. Where is it? Where's my achievement list? Oh, it's above this. Okay. Oh, hey Bruce. Super Mime. Call while I work on my game too? Maybe, perhaps. Um, get on my dick sword and the swerve R. The swerve R. Yes. Okay, he's just DM calling me. Oh, wait. He did a call that lasted. Oh, it is here. Yo, what up?
Mute
Uh,
your stream.
and I've got a
Muting your stream. Hello.
Yo, what up?
So I gotta finish what I need to for my project now. But I made nav mesh work in like my sample scene, not the Ox Tools one.
Yeah, you sent a message about that earlier.
Yeah. And I made it, I configured it to work with my spawner. There's the thing, I want to screen share my stuff. What the no, how do I? Okay, there we go. It was like set a channel status or something when I clicked on it. It's kind of weird though. Like they take a second to start following the person.
Why?
Like, are you looking at my screen share?
No, I can. Start watch stream.
Wait, hold on. Okay, you looking?
Yes. Oh yeah. But that's only on start, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so after that they're fine.
yeah.
Um,
Which
does it
so
have
that would be
wait. How
what's
much you
this?
want to bet that if you look in the console, they start moving the second it says sources 1.
What the fuck happened that time?
Oh, yeah, I think that's right. Like if you scroll up to the top, does it just not say anything before that?
Source is 0.
Yeah, so it can't find any sources. So I think for some reason it takes a second for it to call the remember that collect sources function that we were like fixing before with the navigation modifier? I think you just have to maybe run that on start. Like
Which
what if you
line is it
tried
breaking?
running
It's
that?
breaking on. No, it's just
We need a card that hides your side of the screen from enemies for 1 to 2
I think it
turns.
might. Is it just calling update before start or something?
But it can also only be drawn from your deck at least once every 10 times. What does that mean? If you get a full hand and then you get the Father of Light, maybe because then your cum would be in disguise. That's true.
I guess it takes a second to do the like get component nav mesh agent or something. I don't know.
I don't think so. No, that's like instantaneous. It does that in the same
Yeah.
frame that you call it. No, I think what's happening is the function itself, the collect sources thing, is just not being run on start. Or maybe it
Oh,
is, but it's somehow not finding them for a bit. Like wait. So the debug statements there of like the pinballs count, how is the sources rated at 0? Actually, where is that debug coming from? That one.
flex sources.
So no,
One
that's a
of the
different collect
19 different
sources.
collect sources.
Yeah. That one just runs a different collect sources. Okay.
What does?
That collect sources one that the debug statement came from. It's just running a different function of collect sources.
What the fuck? Find and replace?
Ball bat. This a ball sack. What are you looking for? Yeah, those.
Here's this one. Well, this one doesn't have the sources dot count.
Yeah. I'm gonna go on to continue making some of these. So when you go speedy, where's the achievements? So that one I'll have to do something separate for. Um, win a match in 15 turns or less. Oh, I'm gonna have to do something real special for that. I'll have to remake something, but you'll see what I mean. Win a match in 15 turns or less should be just this. So I can do if turns is less than this, and if layer 1,
It just
then
takes a
it's.
second to get sources to 1.
I mean, theoretically, if you ran that in the background, like if there's a main title screen, you could just run that in the background while they're in the title screen, and they wouldn't even notice. Because it takes like a second,
Well,
right?
but the enemies just wouldn't be there.
What do you mean? Is it a second from when the enemies spawn or from when the game starts?
I mean, we can check that out by just me turning the spawner off to start.
And then turning it on? Yeah.
Okay, it appears to be a second from when the game started.
Yeah, so if you just like
Ah, chill in. Yeah, I can. That
wait. No, you don't think it's that, do you?
what?
Okay. Look in nav mesh, the actual like component thing, the nav mesh refresher.
Yeah.
Do you think it's that by any chance? Because I don't think that runs on start.
I think it is it this thing? The
Oh wait, no, it does run on it runs on enable. Never mind. I was just thinking maybe it was the I was thinking it was something else. No, it does say it runs on enable. Maybe if you change it to start instead of on enable. That's the only thing I could think of. Although that could cause maybe errors. I shouldn't.
turn this guy on.
It's just an idea.
Yeah, that fixed it.
Yeah, okay. So it just didn't build the nav mesh.
That's weird. I think it might have been because it was doing this thing instead.
No, no. Well, it was running the build the nav mesh before the sources were collected. Order of operations problem.
Beep.
And then after it built the nav meshes, then it collected the sources, and then it waited 2 seconds before building the nav mesh again. And that
Beep.
was what it was doing. Anyway,
All right. Well, this is cool now. So I gotta go to my English thing. Let's see exactly what I had written down for what I
Source has not yet appeared. Yeah, I
needed
know.
to
Source
do.
died. It's very cringe of him. I don't know why, but he's not here right now, and it's awful. It's terrible.
Um, I can give a player.
I need to have a look at how the turn counter works. I don't know if I need to change it. It updates on the enemy turn. So when they play a card,
Okay, so I need to make weapons now. That's fun.
you're making weapons. Man's
With the
becoming an
player.
arms dealer. Yeah, that's working. So
Is there a chance that there's a gun script somewhere in Ox Tools?
no,
L.
I don't have a. You don't really. I don't really need a gun prefab yet. I haven't had the need for one. Uh, I made one. I made like a gun script in Delusion, but I haven't had a need for a gun like in Ox Tools. It's not something that's come up that has come up. So I think the achievements, the ones that I made right here, I think these ones will work based on how that's working. What I want to do next is make what? What do I want to make? I gotta make the damage function. This is something that's interesting. So if I go to the damage func, I have a function for when you take damage, or for when you damage a construct. I need to make a function for when you damage the core. So public void. That says no. Public void. Or damage func. Silence. I know. It is silence. Well, man's coding over there and I'm coding over here. It's a very intense situation here.
Intense.
Double coding, intense levels.
I'm using a weapon script I used for something else before.
Yeah, also what I'm doing right now is honestly not even that interesting.
Can't remember what I'm supposed to put this on. Um, I'm pretty sure I just put it on the character. Too. I can't. I'm feeling. Oh shit! Yeah, I think I forgot to give it a bullet or anything.
Who needs bullets? Just have a gun without bullets. It's just purely cosmetic.
Where was that? 56.
The achievement for this.
Go to fire point.
You now theoretically should be able to get all of these.
Transform dot find fire point.
These two should be theoretically impossible to get together, but you know.
The fuck?
Hmm? So what could be some... What's the next one I should work on? I just scrolled way past them all. So, done, 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 done. This one.
What is the script that I got?
I'll put it after this, because this is part of the damage. So if you destroyed more than 10 things, get an
Fucking
achievement.
Raycast.
This one, which you get for destroying a bunch of things, which is somewhere 5. And then I just need to make the damage function and check die. Voice did not break. It runs all this. Gamer dot dot dick plus. I do need to do a gamer reference because this is within card. Anyway, that's another one down. Next one. Next one, we gotta do Speedy Gonzalez, which is play 3 cards within a second of each other. That is an interesting one, I do say. So, this one's gonna require a bit of ingenuity, I would say. Unlike float card time or card time between cards equals 0.
Mm-hmm.
Like int shriek equals 0. That is yeah, this should be over here. Homie's over here making some red squares attack the player.
What is happening with this? Okay. I want the spawner off.
So why was I just seeing a bunch of like red squares sexually assault you? Sick. All right. What? Oh. Bunch of variables that have nothing between them. So update. Actually, I should do fixed update. So for this one, we're gonna have to do some stuff. More or less. We're gonna have to do time between cards minus equals time dot tell the time. So it's like a timer.
It's like input dot. Dude, why is this not open? Jesus Christ.
Hello. Homie joined just to do that. Law and order. Time between cards. So this is this. If time between cards is less than or equal to 0, then streak equals 0, and then is greater than or equal to 3. Get achievement. Which achievement? It keeps scrolling all the way up here. Which is Speedy Gonzalez. 6. Now all I have to do is card action. It runs that card played equals card, placer card equals card. CA bring over is overwriting card, but card played is the true one. So last card equals true equals card. Time between cards equals 1F. Card streak equals 1. How many? Wait, didn't I up one of these to 5? Was it Mime or Speedy Gonzalez? It was Mime.
What happens now when I do this? I think this shoots.
Hmm?
It's got like a recoil.
Hold on, I need to see this. Uh, is that from it colliding with the player?
Yeah.
Nice.
Because
Why is the player constantly spinning?
it got pushed.
You don't have
Like
any. Why don't you just lock the angular velocity? Or do you want it to rotate? Do you want the player to rotate?
no,
Then
I
why don't
just
you
haven't
just?
done that.
It's like
I'm
it
go.
takes like
I
one
mean, I
button
want to
click.
make it rotate to my mouse.
Well, yeah, but
And
you
then,
can just
yeah,
but you can prevent it from locking, or you can
yeah,
lock it
I
with
know.
physics by just going to the where
I
is
don't
it?
even remember how to do
Constraints at the
this.
bottom.
Is it in
It's in yeah,
what?
it's in constraints at the bottom. Oh wait, sorry, the rigid body.
Yeah, shit. The rigid body gets like added by the controller script.
Just add a rigid body then. Wait, does it not get the rigid body?
No, it fucking
Why
new
did
rigid body
why does it create a new rigid body?
because it feels like it.
You could just get the rigid body. Instead of saying new rigid
Um,
body, you could just do equals get component rigid body instead of add component. This way it would, you'd actually be able to change the parameters. What?
crazy idea. We're too good.
And then,
Constraints, freeze position Z.
yeah,
All right.
that's rotation, but yeah. And now it shouldn't ever try and rotate without you telling it to. Is there a time speed limit on how fast you can shoot?
Not yet.
So it's just however fast you click. I was about to say auto clicker. Nice.
Okay, so now I just have to.
That's pretty balanced.
I have to add fucking player follow mouse unity. Weepus. I'm just gonna actually. Can I just throw this straight into the? I might just throw this straight into the controller script. What? Why does that? Why is it like that?
Then
Script controller update.
controller update. My
Bang.
my.
And then I want where the fuck this is. Let's just save all of that shit. Does this work? No. No, fuck. That's not what I meant by follow mouse.
What? Oh, the the player.
I just wanted the rotation.
Did you?
Player face mouse.
Isn't there a point towards? Isn't there like a rotate towards thing? I swear there is.
Whatever. I'm just doing this shit now, I guess. We're finding this thing.
Rotate around.
See how this works.
Hmm. I don't know. I definitely have something in Oxtools about pointing towards. We. What's the super mime? What? Uh-huh. That seems right. That seems right.
Oh, I copied the broken code.
Bruce. Use Oxtools.
Where's it's in Ox Tools?
Random functions point towards. I think that is the old version of it, but it's the 2D version, so it's the right one.
Rip.
Just click on the folder. It's the folder itself. It's called scripts. It's not a
Container.
subfolder. Random functions. Yeah. And now you can have a look at all the random functions that exist in here. Mainly, the one you're looking for is called point. You could search for it. Control F, point.
Never.
All right.
Point 2D.
Okay, yeah. So you have the multiple things in there that are relating to point towards things. What is that? You just throwing random functions on that or something?
Yeah, no, I had like a singleton that stored a
Mhm.
bunch of stuff before my computer got wiped.
Yeah.
But it was
Yeah.
quite a lot of stuff that didn't get saved, so I'm gonna remake it real quick.
All right. Hopefully my voice will stop breaking. That'd be nice. Anyway, while you do that, I'm gonna continue work on this. So what is Super Bime? 9? That leaves us with one more to do, which is Exile, which is to discard a discard card, which should be fairly simple. Discard the method we're looking for, the definition of the method. Okay, sorry. And then I do if player. Actually, I should do it in the non-banish state. If player, if so if you're the player and if the what's going on here? Card that you're discarding, which I think is just called card. Yeah, the card to discard, card.card type equals 8, which I think is discard. Then get achievement 8. How fitting is that? How fitting is that? If I'm right about those numbers, I think discard, which is 8, which gives you the 8th achievement. Ain't that crazy? Let's see. Discard is indeed 8, and the achievement is number 8. What a day. Boing.
Can I just put like all of random functions in the main thing?
You could just slap the component on the singleton,
You know.
or like not on the singleton. I mean, on the
Why is
game object.
singleton not? Does a singleton not exist?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Type or namespace singleton does not exist.
Yeah, that's not a
Oh
thing.
wait, shit, I'm stupid. It needs to match the name of the thing. I think.
Yeah, it
Oh,
does. It does.
let me in.
They made a
The
class called
arrow,
Singleton.
arrow's gone. No. Add component. Main. Add component. Random functions. So now in the single player controller script, we're gonna delete all of this and this. And then in update, we're gonna call main.instance dot game object dot
This is intense.
component.
No.
No.
What the? What do you main instance dot? You don't need to do game object. I don't think you need to.
Why main.instance isn't that just a script?
Yeah, but if you do .get component, doesn't that just get it of the game? I don't think .game object is a necessarily requirement of it.
Alright, dot get component.
Oh god, dude, you know it's a singleton, right? Random functions itself, you can just do random functions out instance.
Oh, random functions is a singleton?
Yeah,
I don't know that. Okay. Well,
it's at the
that's
top of the
helpful.
function.
I didn't look at it. All I looked at was the point 2D.
Oh, tell us something your mom doesn't know.
Radom.
Oh.
What?
What?
Why'd you go
What do you mean?
What? You added uppercase and lowercase instance?
Oh yeah.
Why is there...
That's actually not me. That's because I copied and pasted some code that does that, and it's been bugging me ever since. I need to change the name of the lowercase instance, so because I keep always accidentally typing the lowercase I one. You need to do the uppercase I one. It is required the lowercase I one. It's just not the one you reference.
There it is. So which do I type?
The uppercase. You had it right.
Okay. Isnatance.
Yeah, I love Isnatance.
Instance. Dot. Just point 2D. What were the parameters of that? Offset and spread.
Just to clarify, Bruce somehow didn't get this.
Good morning, Glenn.
Didn't get
Tell
what?
us something your mom doesn't know. Yeah.
I don't know how you
What
didn't
did
get
I
that.
not get?
I don't know how you didn't get that.
Where'd your stream go?
You want me to send you the video?
Tell us something your mom doesn't know.
Yeah.
What about that do I not get?
You asked why I said "oh" into the microphone. You asked why I did that.
Well, I've seen that video before.
Exactly.
There's a lot of different videos of people just eating their microphone online.
I know. But more specifically, in reference, tell us something your mom doesn't know.
Do I just set these to like 0 and 0F, 0F? Like, what does spread and offset 2 do?
Those are related to stuff you don't need to care about.
Oh, I can just set them to 0?
Yeah, well, spread was mostly because I originally used it as part of a gun function. Like, I used it as part of a gun, so the spread was like a random, like, offset left and right.
It's a uppercase D, isn't it? What the fuck?
I'm just rolling to see if I can get to I'm just gonna make a new deck for this.
Point 2D.
I have so many random...
Inaccessible due to its protection level.
What is?
Point 2D.
Oh, well, just copy the function over. Or it's private. You could just you could just change it to public. Oh wait, no, I'm smart. It's because you literally can't do that. Yeah, because of how the function works, you have to actually move it over.
Oh, okay.
I believe. I mean, it's been a while since I've looked in the actual code for it, but I think it has something along to do with it tries to get the actual component of the object you're talking about, so it needs to know. Achievement clean sweep. Have your entire hand be the sweep card.
Oh yeah, because it just uses transformed opposition.
Yeah. So it kind of needs the correct object. That
fuck! I copied the wrong one.
eject. That is quite the funny idea. I think it's balls.
Rah.
All right. Your achievements be working, boy.
Not working.
All of the achievements for that I made this stream should be functional.
This is not working.
Which one is it? So the is that the one that points at the mouse? Returns the
Maybe
rotation.
it's because there's not a camera. I don't know.
You should wait. What did you, Bruce? It returns the quaternion. You need to set the rotation equal to point duty. Transform.rotation equals.
Ah. I did not realize that it was a return function.
Yeah.
I just did the thing for you.
Well, it also because sometimes you need to do other operations with it. There you go.
Now I can shoot.
And it points at your mouse.
Because what the fuck? I made the, shit, I have to make the bullets disappear after is
Yeah,
that
you just
script still
spawning them in
working?
and they have infinite life, so they just like
Yes.
keep going.
Yes, I
Nice.
was like, why is there 9,000 bullets on this, like, hierarchy?
That's nice.
Bullet script. Public double. Time. Time plus equals time dot. Fuck. No. Time. Fuck you. I'll fix it later. Time dot delta time. Right? Is that the function?
Is it?
If time is greater than like 3. Game object dot destroy.
Oh wait, I just realized the title for Speedy Gonzalez and number 9, the mimic.
What? How does this work?
Or number 9, Super Mime don't exist yet. I'll do that in a minute. Clean sweep. How does what work? How
No.
does what?
I don't know. Is that I don't know. I
That's-
forget how destroy works.
Yeah, lowercase g.
Okay. Time dot delta time is not a method. All right.
It's not. It's a value. The tile. I think you mean title for Queen Super is the janitor. Yes, it's got
There
to
we
be.
go. They killed them. So I'm gonna make.
They
this
killed
a,
themselves. That's not very. That's not very nice.
Public
This is the
double
janitor.
lifespan. Lifespan.
What should the actual effect? I like the idea of clean sweep, but I don't like the idea of the entire hand needing to be sweep, because it's extremely easy to cheese. Let me show you. I mean, some of these I'm fine with being extremely easy, but this requires legitimately no effort. Look at this. So I make a new deck. I add the sweep card. I press play and select the deck. And now I have it. That's, I don't know. I don't know. I'm fine with one achievement being like that as a joke. But multiple that are just really easy by just making a deck and then doing something is kind of meh. So I want to do something else. I like the idea of clean sweep. I want the actual method of achieving it to be something else. This one though. Maybe reduce that. Maybe reduce that. So stupid. Oh, I love it.
I forget how tags work.
I never fucking use tags ever. I don't like them. Where's sweep sweep? Greater than or equal to 7. So you've sweeped them 7 times, then get achievement 10. It's the 10th achievement. And then so stupid. Bruce.
What?
So I've just made a new achievement inspired by the one that Eject sent, which is it's called Clean Sweep. It's if you have sweeped the opponent using the sweep card 7 times in one game. And all it does is give you a title called the Janitor. It's very useful. I need to actually make the titles now actually be given to you for these 3 achievements that give you titles. To clarify, somewhere, I don't know where the title selection thing is. Title shid. Here you go. We don't talk about the secret player stuff. Default. No. So, I also need to make a title for some of the other ones for the super mime, which is just the clown. The clown. So 19. Achievements 10. So, oh wait, no. 9. So the super funny one is from that. Then 18, which is the janitor, is from which achievement index? Which one is it from? Oh, that one's 10. And then the other one I want to do is Speedy Gonzalez, which is somewhere in there, but maybe. Oh, that may have gotten deleted actually because of when I did the funny. Yeah, it's not there. I need to go find Speedy Gonzalez. So now it's actually back, and it awards it at 20 on achievement number 6. 20 and 6. So now, if you have every achievement, you should get the titles, I think. Maybe. Perhaps. Possibly. How's it going over with your thing, Bruce?
Just taking a second. Where the fuck are the enemies? Oh, I didn't turn the goddamn spawn on. That's genius.
That might be why. Spawn time 15.
I'm just trying to get like one enemy on the screen for a short test.
You have to wait 15 seconds. This is engaging. Oh, there it is. You hit it once.
Okay, so the issue is not that it isn't taking damage. The issue is that it's oh, because it's just fucking pseudocode.
Wow.
Dot destroy.
Oh wait, I
Here,
just realized one of the things
object.
doesn't work yet. Anyway, but you now theoretically would be able to select some of the other ones besides suction cup balls. The the Danitor. I don't know how I would specify which person is Dan. Uh-oh. Okay, I thought Unity crashed for a second because I saw the spinning on my mouse. But that was unrelated.
Yeah, now they're dying. I do want to do one thing quickly.
I wait for him to make his account, and then I update a pat. I release a patch for the game, and all it does is make it so when Dan plays the game and selects the janitor, it becomes the janitor. That's a genius idea. I don't think I've seen a better idea, like ever, to be honest. Um,
And I make it like not collide with my dude.
yeah.
Layer overrides, is that what I do that with?
If you want to look at the physics collisions, I think it's in project settings. If I could be wrong, physics 2D and the in the collision map.
Exclude layers everything.
Okay.
Include layers everything.
Hmm.
Not hitting anything.
Mm-hmm.
Lemony. Nothing, nothing. Huh. And just go like add layer player. And then I just go to my player. Or I'll have to go to like the prefab single player, layer player.
What?
And then I go to prefab's bullet and then go exclude layers player. Nope.
Nope. What are you trying to do?
Unless it wants it to be include layers
Don't check
player.
general. Nothing in general. Oh my god. He got me.
Why is it pushing him back, bro? What is this?
Hmm?
Serialized object of serialized property has been disposed?
The hell is that? After what and where?
I don't know.
Where is it being called from?
I need something.
Wrecked?
Is it when I shoot? Is it when I shoot an enemy? It didn't even happen that time.
It's just
Maybe
that
it's
good.
because the thing. I think it's because the bullet was on the other weird layer before. I set this to player. That's when it breaks.
Hmm.
How do we make this dude not hit the player?
Who, the bullet?
Mm-hmm.
Why wouldn't you just use like a trigger collision?
What is a trigger?
Then it doesn't hit the player. Is there two colliders on it?
There's a circle collider and a rigid body.
Okay, so it shouldn't be hitting the player. Or, I mean, it should be detecting a collision with the player, but it shouldn't be pushing them back. Right? What? Can you have a look at the bullets? Like, if you, like, shoot a bunch of bullets and pause the game? Like, and then click on the ones that got spawned and take a look at their stuff? Why are they not triggers? Riddle me this, Batman.
That one's a trigger. That one's a trigger. That one's a trigger. That one's a trigger.
So they're all triggers now.
I clicked on this circle. 'Cause
That
there's a
that
circle.
one, yeah, that one's it has a child component that has a collider and a rigid body, which aren't which you should probably remove on the circle.
Scenes. Play.
Yeah. There you go. I'm a wizard. I am literally the wizard. I'm the wizard from Bow on the Go. Where I have so many random things open. You do not need to be open. Thanks. That should account for the fact that oh no, not Bow on the Bow on the Go goes hard. It's a go 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 kind of show.
Okay, I think I might go.
I love
I
boogieing
just
down to get
record this
my
with OBS
power
Studio
rings,
now.
man.
I have to download OBS again. Jesus.
They're gonna wallet. Nope. Noted. Well, that's why we actually check this stuff.
Gonna take.
Was there an error or no? Almost forgot that Fever Dream existed. Bow on the Go goes hard, man.
Next, install.
Other way around. So it should be not there, but on projectile.
Launch OBS Studio.
You're launching OBS
Mm-hmm.
to do what?
Record this video.
Oh yeah, because you gotta like record like progress updates for it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Imagine doing it for school. Don't block it, don't block it, don't block it. Fuck.
Um, gonna do a display capture. Desktop audio, mic aux. Lila, can you talk for a second?
No.
Okay, so I'm just gonna mute desktop audio because that captures your voice.
Look, okay, I'll do a double attack, right, but they'll block it on the bottom. They did not block it on the bottom. Yeah, okay, that actually fixed it. Brook stream. Maybe. We could get the very unknown,
why does this
very
only give
underground.
me like half of my screen?
Let me see. Because it's recording in a 16:9 aspect ratio.
Well, how do I change that?
Settings, I believe it's in output. I could be wrong. Maybe it's in video. Yeah, it's in video. I thought we've done this before.
I think we did do this last time. There we go. You're muted. So
I'm muted.
Just
No! This is
gotta,
terrible.
like, I don't want this thing to be fucking green.
I love green. I love green. Gray. I don't know if gray is much better than green.
Just don't want neon fucking green.
That's true. That's true.
All right. Full screen this bad boy. And
This is a monumental. Bruce, why is my grass gray? I don't know. I think you weren't taking care of it properly.
If I start the game, I have the same thing as last time. I have this little guy that walks around. he now faces the mouse, and these enemies spawn in and chase him, and he can shoot these little balls that if you shoot the enemies enough times, they will die. And I've started progress on making new characters and like items and things like that, but it's not enough progress to like where it like can be shown while playing the game. But I have started that, like it said in my I said I might do in my like checkup. So that is what I've got so far. The guy walks around, he can change where he's facing, shoots these little pellets at the enemies who spawn in and chase him.
Did you actually
We
did you actually start an item system?
Nope.
Nice. That's real nice.
No.
Untitled drive. Oh my god, there's a lot of paper.
File upload. Videos? Is it in here? Should be. That should be it, right?
Perhaps.
Yeah. Recent. Video still processing. Buddy,
Mm-hmm.
you mind stopping the processing video?
No, process the video.
Mister, I can't. It
That's
just says it's processing.
hold on.
Oh, there we go.
The AI placed something. No way that was an In-N-Out gamer. Maybe it was. I'm gonna have to review the footage on that one. I was not playing optimally. I'm
Recent.
No, it actually was.
You mind stopping it?
That's crazy. On turn 15.
Oh,
On
there we
turn 15. Last possible move I could have
I
won.
really like that.
That's crazy. Just watching your demonstration video over there. Hmm. Oomst. Well, that's pretty chill, yo. I don't know. I've got some interesting stuff done. Whatever happened with that guy? That guy went like off the rails. He went into the deep end and never came back. Right, so you can get some of these cards, like they're just playing the game a wee bit. She started drowning in Zaza. That's a statement. Doubt. Okay. You could cheese that. Oh, I see. It's not incrementing the card streak. You can cheese that so hard. That's interesting, actually. I might keep that, I might not. But the card streak not being implemented is interesting.
Oh,
Action.
okay, so that should be that
Wrong
done. I can
function.
now file, or I want to get out of game.
So this stuff with the
File,
same
save, Unity version control.
card streak equals
Beepest
1.
gun enemy fart.
Should be plus plus, shouldn't it?
Close that. Ooh, that's that over with. Someone made Fatal Company in Roblox.
That's interesting.
Fatal Company, not lethal. Fatal Company.
Yeah, it's fatal. Those are all stuff I feel like you could get. Yeah, it's Fatal Company.
Yeah. Would you be interested in playing like
Like,
a game of the finals before P?
maybe. That would involve me stopping the stream probably, or I could just also stream me playing the finals.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. We stream like a game of the finals before I go.
Maybe. I'm going to save my shit then. Someone's sitting down. Well, that'd be Axel. That's who.
Just discovered this guy, not gonna lie.
You can't imagine the pain I'm in right now, man.
You hearing the bass right now?
I am. Anyway, you know why I'm muted.
Never. I never know.
Axel's still here, by the way.
Me.
Yeah, oh my god. It's a miracle. It's heaven. They're finally gone. Did Bruce die?
No, I'm just
Oh.
like at a Spanish script practice.
Damn.
Uh,
I'm opening Los Finals. Los Finals Hermanos. Bruce McKinley died at 69.
I'm in the finals, Hermanos.
Or dead at 69.
Group chats, Roar 2 Gaming.
Roar 2 Gaming?
Bean Salas. I meant to write Bean Salsa, but I wrote Bean Salas.
Bean Salsa. Dylan's Roar 2ing. That's crazy.
I know, he's been doing it for a while.
No, wait, is he streaming? That'd be amazing if he was. I don't think so, but we were talking about it earlier. Well, he definitely was not at my house. Aw, he's not live. That would have been great. I shall send you that. Bean mole. Anyway.
Bean mole.
Mm-hmm. Are you just gonna keep sending these? And I've invited you.
Bean chipotle crema.
I have invited you. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I gotta be my good contestant here. Or do I play heavy?
I don't know.
I don't know. I can pick whichever one I want when we get in there. Which game mode do you want to do?
I don't know. I don't really care.
We could do both. Let's start with quick cash.
Cash quicking.
Oh wait,
What?
we gotta get the. Did you get it? The launch from 20 meters one?
No.
Okay, we should try and get that. Or the get it within 15 seconds.
Maybe. They're both quite hard.
I mean, I feel like if you just get some while other people are dead, the 20 meters one, if you can find a good open area for it, it's not too bad.
Yeah, but it's gotta be like in a pretty goddamn open area. And I think you need the height advantage over it.
Maybe you could just go like a flat area as well. That could be it.
Maybe. I don't really have a good reference for how big 20 meters is in this game.
Neither do I. "300 eliminations with ranged weapons. Eliminate an opponent with a cash box.
Yes.
An opponent with a headshot
Yes.
while you're sliding.
I don't know how accurate I can be with a shotgun to get a headshot while sliding.
That'd be the easiest, I feel like, just with a sniper. Something like you can get one shot off, and if it's good, it'll kill them.
Yeah. No, they swapped off of heavy. Yes! Go back to heavy! Full heavy team!
No, I'm playing medium.
No, dude, we need to do full heavy team. Aw,
No.
and they're going light. This sucks.
We need a healer.
We had the opportunity for a full heavy. Hmm?
Him Kardashian and Grandma's gum job.
Grandma's gum job.
So girly, Mookie. Oh, we just have Jet.
Oh, that guy sucks.
Bro is Jet.
I
He's
hate
the
him.
Jet.
I despise that name. You know what I
Bro
really like
caused
though?
You know what that kid did, Milo?
Cause 9/11.
Him and his friend over there caused 9/11.
Yeah, that's true.
And a bunch of people to get lost in like the Bermuda Triangle.
Dude, Grandma's gum job is such an absolutely W
There's
name.
a kid over here.
No, there's not.
Hi.
Well, I'm not
This kid
sure
is
what this
so
heavy.
bad.
I wonder what that guy was doing.
Oh, I could have gotten that.
Uh-oh.
That kid was just standing still. I could have gotten the kill with a headshot while sliding.
I'm getting shot at from 7 angles.
Oh, I'm dead. So.
Oh, well, I need to survive in order for it to be not team respawn right now. Okay.
Doesn't
Well,
even matter.
that was interesting. Oh, that was Grandma's gum job too.
Orange just has like 4 turrets.
I'm all right with that death. Our teammate left. Our teammate left. Absolute
Uh-oh.
W of a teammate.
This kid's going to cause 9/11 too. 9/12.
10-12.
9/11 on the Burj Khalifa. Actually, it's good. Is that a kid?
Where?
I thought I saw someone running around. Maybe it was just like the props.
Are they going to A?
looking
Where are they?
like a
Yeah, they're
character.
going to A. They have to. I see them moving over there. Apparently above it. Ah, it's this way. Oh my god, it's here?
They're like down there right now.
I'm being gunned down by 2 of them.
Killed one.
One dude's down here.
Oh, they're so low.
Oh.
And you got blown up.
That dude just
He res his
swept.
teammate.
Alright.
We're on the teammate. Oh wait, we got a teammate.
We got a teammate who?
He's whacking that kid.
Bro, he's got such a bad name.
That kid is so bad.
Who?
The kid he just whacked in the face 9 times without getting shot once.
Not even shot
And it's
at?
a heavy.
Oh my god.
He has so much health and does so much damage. I'm respawning.
Yeah, same. Okay, they
Surprised
have
he
a
didn't die there.
cash out right now.
This kid's not terrible.
Yeah, probably. Okay.
Our kid's coming. Me and this kid are coming in with like bombs.
Okay, so there's a few things around here. Oh my god, okay. I wanted to grab some explosives to try and throw in there, but I literally can't get over there and someone's shooting from around. Dude right there?
Killed him. There's a bunch of people over there.
I see them.
Just go. Just go. Just go.
I'm doing it. I got it!
I just healed you the entire time. I leapt out of there real quick.
I threw that goo down just to get some, like, basic thing. Alright, alright, alright. This
We're gonna jump
chair...
from the side here.
Some dude,
Got
as soon as they
someone?
try and steal it, I'm just gonna jump
There's
him.
a kid in the inside. Shit, I might die here. Oh fuck, I'm dead.
Dude right there.
We're getting jumped from both sides, but I think we might have this.
Hi, well, I'm gonna pee. Oh, that's so sad. Eject's gonna go.
Yeah, we got it.
Fuck.
No way they're stealing that.
Yeah, no, they got it. Eject's gonna
Jet
go.
left the game. That
Wait,
name
what?
just showed up in my chat.
Yeah, he's
It's
been gone for a minute.
But it
Yeah.
just showed up in my chat for some reason.
Why do I have a Discord message? It's from the server. And make sure
It was like a almost all medium game.
that's true. That's true.
I saw some kid in my college prep class watching the finals videos on YouTube during class.
Doe Wrangler. Why? I mean, it is the finals. I lost all my momentum doing that.
I also saw a finals TikTok edit
That's kind of
where
funny.
some kid just like using the weirdest weapons to get a bunch of kills.
I was just running up to that guy. He was clueless.
We're just like, you got 2 pocket healers.
Oh, is there just no one here? That's sad. How is that turret not shooting me right now?
The turret just fell. It's just in there. There's 2
Grab
turrets!
the money.
There was 2 turrets. I had to kill them.
Okay, there's gas there.
Oh fuck.
Or being gunned through the window.
Ah, we got the other pinks on the other side of
Oh
us.
god, there's a few people.
There's
Yeah.
just a massive firefight.
Yeah, there's everyone's fighting there. Like, except for our teammate who's trying to wait for respawn, I think. He's using that.
So,
He's using the zip line. We'll see. I am back. So are you. The money is there. Probably heading to somewhere.
I almost killed him.
Looks like C if I had to guess.
He's on like 1 HP, bro.
Why is
Oh
there
my
just
God,
a
there's
zip
so
line?
many people on the ground over there.
There's just a zip line going across the fucking map.
I'm taking it.
Alright, I killed the guy with the money.
Fuck. There's kids behind us.
How do I get up there?
Probably zip line
Stop,
somewhere.
stop. Someone's shooting me. Someone's shooting me.
I'm like almost dead, so.
Cash out.
Fuck.
I didn't bother trying to shoot it. Or
I think
anything.
we're getting jumped.
That's pretty likely.
Oh, I know, it was our teammate. Oh,
Dude right there.
But there's that kid.
Blew up the ground. You know what? No.
Bro, someone's goo just blocked me from shooting that kid.
Oh my
fuck.
god.
They're just all there. Ah, I fell in. I fell in
I hit
with
that
them.
guy once.
I killed him.
Oh,
I killed him.
I fell down. Alright, we're all down here.
He put a zip line.
That was actually really helpful of him.
No, why is that in there, Milo?
What?
You like dropped the
Why
bomb
can't I
in
not
this
jump up
area.
this? Why is it
'Cause
just...
there's no room on the ceiling.
It was
I can
letting me
jump up,
before.
actually.
There we go.
Oh, hello. That kid's on 1 HP. I'm getting that
Does
guy.
this thing not have collision, or was I just like... Yeah, okay, that thing just doesn't
I
have
killed
collision.
one of them, but there's kids in that other room.
I'm running up the stairs behind them.
Oh god, they're all right here.
I killed one.
Hello.
I killed one of them.
Killed him.
No. He melee'd
Pink
me
team
before I
wiped,
could.
and orange has one person.
He's resing one guy right below.
I don't even care, bro.
Uh,
I just want to snipe his fucking turret.
you might care.
Where are you?
I'm dead. No, that's such a
I
bad
know.
that's such a bad plan. There was like 7 people by me.
Shit, I'm coming back up.
I've respawned. I'm just gonna
Oh,
run back.
hello.
Just continue defending
That
the
kid's
thing.
on 1 health, but they might get it. I think they're getting
They're
it.
stealing it. Fuck, that's not good. Shit. Okay. I also got a... No, they got it. Orange got it. Rip.
Get grandma's gum job.
I love Grandma's gum job. But I had to get him. It was for the greater good of all humanity. It wasn't even... This is completely and utterly unnecessary. They can just heal each other. This is just fun. Because why not?
You guys can just respawn. I'm going to the next vault.
9:30. Alright. After this game, I'm gonna probably pee.
Me too.
Halftime. I am now back in the game. Perhaps, perflaps.
I already see people over there.
Well, I mean, they're probably going to B. I can't imagine they'd go anywhere other than B. Definitely not just gonna sit by B.
I'm just shooting some kid on the roof. Oh, our teammate died. Sick.
Oh, that's fun. What was that? Oh, that was you. Oh, there's a vent there? I did not know there was a vent there. I guarantee you it's being brought to B, so I'm just gonna wait at B. Where's the money? Why does it disappear sometimes?
Killed someone.
No way they're gonna try and get... No, they would never try and go to B, but it looks like they might be. Someone shooting you?
One kid down.
Where's the fucking... Okay, he got it.
Ow, fuck. Someone killed me. Teammate, res me. Teammate, res me. Thank you. Okay, they just blew the wall open.
That's fun. Dude right there on the money.
He's just
I'm like
sniping them.
I'm on like 2 health right now.
I killed somebody, but I'm like all the way down here.
Okay. That was interesting, I would say.
What? Why is my mouse breaking?
Your mouse doesn't need to work.
I escaped that somehow.
Yeah, I was shielding.
No, I mean like I got out of the wall in time. I was still on 6 health. I'm just pocket healing you through the wall.
I can't see.
I'm flashbanged.
Ow.
I
Then
fell
you
down.
gassed me. I couldn't... That was interesting, that one, that life there where you rezzed me. This is probably a team res unless we... Alright, he
I
died.
killed the kid stealing.
Yeah. It's just our teammate left who's not who's not by the thing, which is not good. Yeah, they're dead.
Shit.
And someone has an anti thing.
Why
on
is
it.
that kid defending it even though they don't have it?
Probably so that I don't know, they can try and steal it later.
I don't think that makes a difference.
It doesn't. Now he's stealing it. No, we're not.
Can we respawn? Can we keep this? Like somehow?
If they keep killing each other, yeah, but they're definitely got it right now.
Someone...
They got
Oh,
it.
at least it's pink. At least it's pink.
That is true.
We're back in time to possibly steal this, though.
I'm just sitting on the thing right now, but I will definitely die if I try to go for it. That's
Oh,
you.
fuck. I'm like... I died. There's a kid up there about to kill you.
Yeah. Alright.
And our teammates.
That was kind of a waste
dead.
of a life
Okay,
for me.
pink got that one. That's
Yeah, that's
alright,
fine,
though.
that's fine, that's fine. We just got this one last vault. What the? I should get like
Triple
C4.
medium. The breach charge is supposed to be really good.
The C4 thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just drop it on the thing. If someone tries to steal it, you nuke them.
I just got stuck on map geometry there.
I saw
Grab
someone in
this.
a video. They put a actual charge
Yeah.
on the vault, and they put a bait charge next to it.
Mm-hmm.
So like,
The people got
someone
the
shot the bait charge, thought they were fine and that they had broken it, but then they
oh
like
god.
died to the other one. Jesus, I'm almost dead.
Yeah. That got my shield down to like 2 health.
Jesus.
Yeah, there's a few people there.
Run.
Huh. I just got gunned down in cold blood. Yeah, I don't know why he keeps, like, yeeting it. And he can't
That's
even...
me.
Oh, that's you? Okay.
Fuck, break this shit.
I think you can melee it to break it.
I had the thing in my hand.
You can melee with things in your hand.
Ah.
Wait, can you? Yeah, you
I
can.
had no
Oh
idea.
god, you can't! I just meleeed the thing I was holding. Which is an explosive. Mind if I gas it? I can't get over there, but I will gas the area. Fuck you.
Everything's blowing up.
Someone put like a goo on the doorway.
Oh, I think that was like a canister that someone shot and it blew up.
Alright, well it prevented me
There
from
was
going
one of them.
inside.
Oh, hello, you.
That was kind of a waste of a
Oh,
life
hello,
for me.
you.
Oh my god, they just rest someone on the point.
Dude, I don't have any ammo. What is this? Please just
Yeah,
Yes,
nice.
heal me, teammate.
I'm running.
No, I died.
I see you
Teammate,
dead.
res me, please. Yes.
I see people
Oh,
running
I don't
in.
have ammo in my gun. No. Yes, Milo, go. Stop them.
I mean, I stopped them from taking it, but they're about to take it again. That's the problem, because
I
there's
think
no one
we
else
can
there.
Get it back. We can get back in time
Maybe.
to steal it again.
I don't think so.
I think we will.
I don't think so. Because, I mean, and purple's gonna cause a firefight to go on, but... Yeah, we're quite I mean, we'll definitely get back there in time, but the problem is, can we take it in time? What the hell? Why are there just people here?
This is like where the thing is. Steal it. We're just pocket healing you.
I'm getting shot at... No.
No!
I was getting shot at... Oh, God.
I
can't stay in there. There's gas.
I was healing you, but
Well, they wouldn't have mattered anyway.
I mean, I could have gotten it.
No. It wasn't enough time. Him Kardashian. It's not as good as Grandma's Gum Job. I think that is one of my favorite names that I've seen. I did not that great that game, but
The
was fine.
Glizzy Gobbler. The other game.
Mookie. Yeah,
Oh, I think I'm up E.
with the shit top. Yeah, P.
Shmee.
Schmietus. Alright, guys. Well, that was an interesting stream, I would say. I did do a bit of game dev. Not as much as I would have liked, but we just kind of messed around. I mean, it is Sunday night. I got school tomorrow. That's fine. That's fine. Anyway. Did a decent amount, but started gaming at the end. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go for now. So see you guys later, be it in the past, present, or future.